Welcome back to County Connection. For this final segment of our September episode, we are going to be talking about a community conversation on aging. And here to tell us about it are Erin Fisher from Northwest COG. Welcome, Erin.
Thank you.
And Lori Williams, who is the manager of the Summit County Community and Senior Center. Welcome back, Lori.
Thanks, Julie. Thanks for having us.
All right. So, Erin, you lead the Alpine Area Agency on Aging, kind of a mouthful, also known as the Alpine AAA.
Right.
Tell us what that organization does.
We receive federal and state funds to provide supports and services for people 60 and over in a 5-county region, which is Grand, Jackson, Summit, Pitkin, and Eagle counties. And we also provide services for caregivers of those caring for older adults.
Fantastic. And so you're housed within Northwest COG, which is the Northwest
Colorado Council of Governments. Very good.
Perfect. All right, great. And so you are working with Lori and her staff at the Community and Senior Center to host this event called this Community Conversation on Aging.
Right.
So what is this event all about?
This event is to elicit information from all members of the community, not just seniors, but also caregivers, elected officials, anyone who's interested in imparting their vision for aging within our community.
So Lori, why is it important to have an event like this?
So for all the future services that we can offer seniors, it's good for us to have the knowledge of what the community wants. It's very important for us to have that feedback.
Okay, great. And so when and where is this community conversation going to happen?
It's here at the Senior Center on September 10th at 5 p.m. and it's going to last for about an hour.
Okay. And what will the format be like?
We have some written questions that we would like people to answer, and then we have some discussion questions where we just want feedback. It all kind of boils down to what do you need to age in place here in Summit County?
Okay. And Erin, you mentioned that the event is not just for seniors, but really a broader mix of the community. So what are some examples of folks whose opinions you're interested in gathering?
It's anybody who's interested in an aging vision. So we all are aging, so theoretically everyone would be interested in this. But certainly people who are already 50 can come to the Senior Center, 60 eligible for our services, any kind of caregivers. We'd love to see elected officials, town planners, anybody who's interested in informing our vision for seniors as we age in place.
And helping us shape that future.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And then, so these conversations are happening in Summit County as well as the other counties that Alpine AAA serves.
Correct.
And so once you have all of these events and you've collected this information, then what happens with it?
On March 31st, we will have finished writing the plan, which we will turn into our state unit on aging, and then they use it to inform the statewide plan, and they send it to the federal government.
All right, fantastic. And then what kinds of things are in that plan that kind of make a tangible difference in our community?
This is where we receive the funding for services like home delivered meals, congregate meals, transportation, legal services, care management. It's a lot of the services that you can find here at the Senior Center and throughout the region.
All right, fantastic. Do either of you have anything to add about this overall effort or the Summit County community conversation in particular?
If they have more questions, they're more than welcome to call the Senior Center at 970-668-2940 or visit our website, www.summitcountyco.gov, or to call Erin over at the Alpine Area on Aging, and that number is 970-468-0295.
Okay, and once again, that event is at 5 p.m. on September 10th, sorry. And so once again, the event will take place at 5 p.m. on September 10th, right here at the Summit County Community and Senior Center in Frisco on the County Commons campus. Erin and Lori, thanks so much for your work putting together this important event, and thanks for coming on SCTV today.
Thank you.
Thanks, Julie.
All right, and thanks to those of you at home who have joined us for another episode of County Connection. We look forward to seeing you next month.